Are you searching for effective ways to earn money online? In this video, we're going to uncover not just one, but 5 different methods to make money online using Google Maps. But wait, that's not all. We're going to unveil a secret sauce that can supercharge your earnings across all 5 methods. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be updated on all our other Pivot Online secret strategies. The 5 methods. Let's kick things off by diving into the lucrative realm of Google Maps. These methods are not just random ideas, but actual strategies that people have used to generate substantial income. Let's dive into each method. One of the primary methods involves assisting businesses in verifying their presence on Google. By verifying businesses on Google Search, you're streamlining their online visibility. Next up, we have website development, where you can assist businesses in executing their visions. Through website development, you can give them a platform to showcase their business to their prospects and leads. Another goldmine is boosting businesses' rankings on Google Maps. This method involves helping businesses improve their visibility on Google Maps, a service highly sought after by numerous businesses aiming for better online exposure. Ever considered offering graphic design services to businesses? From altering website designs to crafting visually appealing content, this method allows you to tap into the demand for graphic design services without being a professional designer yourself with the use of AI. Last but certainly not least, running ads on social media platforms like Facebook, Google, or TikTok for businesses is a game changer. This method holds immense potential to drive traffic and sales for businesses. Stay tuned, because here's the kicker. There's a secret tip that will transform how you approach each of these methods. This secret will supercharge your earnings across the board. The secret sauce. In the realm of earning through Google Maps, the secret isn't a mystical formula or a hidden hack. It's a powerful strategy that revolves around outsourcing to freelancers. This game-changing approach involves leveraging platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to source talent and then charging a premium for the services you offer. Find freelancers who specialize in the specific service you're offering. Whether it's optimizing Google Maps listings, creating stunning graphic designs, or developing websites, these platforms house experts in every field. This outsourcing strategy allows you to scale your business rapidly. You can take on multiple clients simultaneously without being limited by your personal time or expertise. As you manage the connections and oversee the projects, you're essentially turning your ability to outsource into a powerful revenue-generating machine, unlocking earning potential across various Google Maps-related services. Setting up payment. Establishing a robust payment processing system is crucial for any online venture. Stripe stands out as a reliable platform for handling transactions, offering seamless invoicing, secure payment gateways, and versatility in managing payments. Its user-friendly interface caters to various business models and ensures prompt and secure transactions. Opting for Stripe over PayPal is a choice based on reliability. While PayPal is widely known, Stripe's track record often surpasses it in terms of account stability and fewer instances of account holds or limitations. Offering business services. When diving into offering business services, outsourcing becomes your strategic ace in the hole. Utilizing platforms like Fiverr streamlines the process, enabling you to find skilled freelancers proficient in Google Business Verification services. This method involves hiring these experts at a fee while charging clients a higher rate, thereby generating profit by marking up the service. Fiverr boasts an array of freelancers specializing in Google Business Verification, allowing you to choose based on reviews, expertise, and pricing. The objective here is to pay the freelancer a certain amount for their service. The beauty of this approach lies in its simplicity and scalability. You, as the intermediary, handle the client interaction, negotiate the deal, and manage the payment. Simultaneously, the freelancer handles the verification process, ensuring a verified Google business listing for the client. This system operates seamlessly, allowing you to focus on acquiring more clients while the service is executed efficiently by the freelancer. Website development. Website development is a lucrative avenue for generating income, especially when employing the concept of drop servicing. Even if you lack the technical prowess in website development, worry not. There's a way to provide these services without being an expert yourself. The key lies in utilizing platforms like Fiverr to tap into a pool of skilled freelancers who can carry out the task on your behalf. Through this method, you can capitalize on the variance between what you charge your clients and what you pay the freelancers for the service. Platforms like Fiverr offer a multitude of web developers, each with their own specialties, rates, and expertise. Your role here is that of an intermediary. You engage with clients seeking website development services, negotiate the deal, and manage the payment process. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Boosting Google Maps ranking. Assisting businesses in enhancing their visibility on Google Maps presents a lucrative opportunity. This method involves aiding businesses in improving their rankings on Google Maps, a service that holds substantial value for enterprises striving for heightened online exposure. The key to success in this area lies in outsourcing tasks to experts who specialize in optimizing Google Maps rankings. Google Maps has evolved beyond being a mere navigation tool. It has become a critical platform for businesses to secure visibility among potential customers. A prominent position on Google Maps significantly influences a business's online presence, dictating its accessibility and prominence when users search for relevant services or products in their vicinity. To facilitate this service, the strategy involves outsourcing tasks to professionals adept at Google Maps optimization. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork boast a pool of experts who specialize in this domain. These experts employ various strategies such as optimizing business profiles, enhancing reviews, utilizing location-based keywords, and incorporating accurate business information. Graphic design services. This method enables individuals to delve into the expansive realm of graphic design without being a design expert themselves. By leveraging freelancers or user-friendly design tools like Midjourney AI and Canva, one can capitalize on the growing demand for captivating visual content. The demand for visually appealing content across digital platforms continues to soar, compelling businesses to invest in compelling designs to stand out amidst the competitive market. From social media posts to website banners and promotional materials, high-quality graphics have become instrumental in capturing audience attention and conveying brand messages effectively. For entrepreneurs aiming to offer graphic design services, outsourcing tasks to skilled freelancers becomes a pivotal strategy. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork house a plethora of talented designers specializing in diverse design aspects, including logo creation, branding materials, social media graphics, and more. Engaging these professionals allows you to deliver top-notch design solutions to clients without having to master design techniques yourself. Alternatively, employing AI-powered design tools like Midjourney AI or user-friendly platforms like Canva empowers entrepreneurs to create compelling designs autonomously. These tools offer templates, graphics, and editing features, enabling individuals with minimal design expertise to craft visually appealing content effortlessly. Ad management services. Running ads on social media platforms such as Facebook, Google, or TikTok for businesses stands out as a highly lucrative method for driving traffic and boosting sales. This approach holds immense potential to yield substantial earnings, especially when executed strategically. The key to maximizing success lies in outsourcing the ad management aspect, which enables you to create an efficient and profitable business model. By leveraging the expertise of freelance ad managers, you can ensure that businesses benefit from well-targeted, compelling ads across platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and Google. Freelancers specializing in social media ad management possess the skills to craft engaging ad campaigns that resonate with the intended audience, thereby driving traffic and conversions. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.